In this video, we'll show you how to change the fuel pump on your Honda Civic. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access the fuel pump, the rear seat must be removed. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the mounting bolt from the bench seat. Pull on the seat cushion to unclip the two fasteners from their lockers. Then remove it. Pull on the trunk release lever. In the trunk, pull on the lever to fold the backrest. Then fold the backrest. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 12mm socket, unscrew the two mounting bolts of the seat backrest. Then remove it. You can now remove the trunk carpet by simply pulling on it to unclip it. Next, using the same tools, unscrew the 4 bolts from the anchor plate of the fuel pump access cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 fuel pump access cover retaining screws. Disconnect the electrical connectors from the fuel pump. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Using a vacuum, clean the fuel pump cover to prevent impurities from falling into the reservoir when the pump is removed. Disconnect the fuel lines. To do this, press the 2 tabs at the end of the connectors. We recommend bringing paper towels to catch any fuel that flows out, as the lines are still under pressure. Be careful, connectors may come loose when removed. You'll need to reassemble them before continuing the operation. Hey! It's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Then use a hammer and chisel to loosen the fuel pump cover. Remove the rubber O-ring on the underside of the cover clamp ring. You can now lift the fuel pump assembly. Tilt it to remove the gauge section from the reservoir. Then position the assembly in a liquid collector. Wipe up any fuel that may have leaked from the fuel pump assembly with paper towels. You can order the electric fuel pump used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new electric pump. Install the new seal on the pump. Then put the fuel gauge in place. Insert the fuel pump module into the reservoir. Put the washer in place. Put the cover back in place. Then, squeeze it. Reconnect the fuel lines. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the fuel pump access cover back in place and screw it back on. Put the anchor plate back in place. Then screw it back on. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Put the folding backrest back in place. And screw it back on. Reinsert the cushion correctly. Then screw it back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.